Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. I have no face intro today, but I do want to get started with my canvas. We're working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I am flooding it, or I have flooded with Greyish Blue by Amsterdam. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and torch out the air bubbles. I did shake this a lot, so a lot of air bubbles in this one. So we're going to go ahead, torch that out. And I'm going to show you the colors we're going to be using. So a very simple color palette today. I'm starting with Oxide Black by Amsterdam. So Oxide Black, and I'm going to go this way. That's it. My next color is Pearl Ocean Blue by Arteza. Next I have, and this is a new color, Toning Gray Mid by Atelier. And look how beautiful that color is. Love the color. So this is the first time I'm using it. I'm going to go very light-handed. Okay. And I have Ultramarine Light by Amsterdam. Another beautiful color. Love it. And last, I have Pearl Cream by Arteza. Beautiful. And I did put it mid-center, not close to this edge or this edge, because I wanted to use a lot of the space here. Let's go ahead, torch out the air bubbles. And we're ready to blow this out. A soft color palette this is, but I do like how soft. Look at these webs here. Love it. Let me torch out a little bit throughout. I should have put more paint down, but I'm not gonna do anything to it. I like this as is, so I'm gonna leave it. And you can see as it develops how beautiful those pops of colors are. There's not a lot within the flow, but there's just enough to give this interest. And I do like it. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so here she is. And look how subtle, how soft, how beautiful she is. I'm happy. So let's start up at the top. Look, check that out. Gorgeous. I lost a lot of the paint in the petal itself, but I'm happy with the borders. Take a look at that. Look at that great webbing. Gorgeous webbing. Look at this. Look at that. The clusters there. Absolutely beautiful. I could have fanned it out more and gotten more color, but I think for the color palette and this grayish blue background is absolutely gorgeous. You can put a verse on top of it. You could customize it with a name. I am super happy with this one. tell me what you think about this. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Next time I do it, I will add more paint, but I love it. I love the flow. I love the use of the space and the negative space, the little bit that I got. So tell me, leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, or if you want to continue following me. I appreciate that. It helps my channel. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good afternoon. Bye.